Yo, what's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day today. I'm currently just on a walk. This is a 0 to 6 figures series, so there'll be a little different video just because I'm not doing a blog type structure today. I'm gonna mainly be talking about what I've been working on and how I've been improving basically a bunch in the past like couple weeks, 3 weeks and stuff. So yeah, if you guys take value, let me know. Because if you think this stuff is valid, you can try it yourself. I've been liking it a bunch, so yeah. So make sure to sub, join the free community, link in the description. And yeah, if you're watching the video, comment what you've accomplished this week. Dude, I've accomplished quite a bit, so I want to see what you guys have accomplished. And if you guys didn't accomplish anything, comment what you're gonna accomplish next week. That'll be a banger. So let's get this started. So recently, I've been really trying to improve on is becoming a better trader in general, instead of like focusing on the profits and all of that. The reason for this is like, it just kind of hit me that like, I need to become an actual like good trader in order to make profits. You know, I've never really like focused on that. Like, I always thought like, oh, if I just trade like every day, it'll just eventually come. And like, it just hit me, that's like, I mean, it could happen, but I just feel like it's not the right way. So I've been focusing on like actually becoming a better trader. So noticing all of the habits I have, whether they're good or bad, and just cutting them out. If they're good, if they're bad, cutting them out if they're bad, holding me back. Because if you have a bad input, you'll have a bad output. So that's what I've been really dialing in on recently. So just becoming the like 10K per month trader I want to be. So basically just a little like replica, basically duplicate or whatever you want to call it, of a 10K per month trader. That's what I've been trying to improve on a bunch. And dude, just some other stuff like psychology stuff, and honestly just stuff like that. I've been building up the trading strategy and just been disciplined with that stuff. So that's mainly what I've been working on for trading wise, just becoming that 10K per month trader. And another thing I'm gonna mainly be focusing on in the next couple of weeks is building good disciplined habits outside of trading. Because I would say I have some good disciplined habits, but I have to admit, I'm not too consistent with it. Like on some sorts of things. Other things I've dialed in, I could do it every single day. But some things that kind of hold me back, I'm not that consistent with this. So I'm gonna be trying my best to dial in the next couple weeks and just getting those good habits in, eliminating those bad habits. And yeah, so kind of short, but that's pretty much what I've been working on recently. Just becoming a better trader, focusing on my inputs and outputs and all of that, and focusing more on the process rather than the goal or the money or whatever. So I basically got it dialed in my head that I need to have a good process before I need to worry about the money, you know? So yeah, kind of random video, but if you guys enjoyed, make sure to sub, join the free community, link in the description. I hope you guys have a good day. Sorry, this is just a very random video. So yeah, laters.